Welcome. If you're looking to give your ex formerly Twitter group chat a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add or change your group photo on X using your PC, following the latest update. This quick and easy process will help your group stand out and feel more personal. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on Messages. This will take you to all your private conversations and group chats. Now find the group you want to update. You can scroll through your messages or use the search bar at the top to type in the group's name. Once you see it, click to open the group chat. At the top right of your group chat window, you'll see a small info icon, usually a circle with an eye inside. Click on this to open the group's information page. Here, you'll find everything about your group, including the current group photo and a list of members. Next, look for the Edit button and click on it. This unlocks the option to change your group's details. You'll see the group's photo displayed prominently. Click directly on the photo, and a file selection window will pop up. Choose the image you want as your new group photo. It could be a fun selfie, a logo, or any picture that represents your group's vibe. Once you've selected your image, click Open. You'll see a preview of your new group photo. If everything looks good, just hit Save. That's it. Your group chat now has a brand new photo, and everyone in the group will see the update instantly. Personalizing your group photo is a great way to make your conversations feel more connected and fun. Try it out today and give your ex-group chat a fresh look that everyone will appreciate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your ex experience.